A great matchup of two teams, a great atmosphere. It's time for football. Both of today's teams are looking to add another win to their total and give their team some momentum as the end of the season draws nearer. Thanks for joining us as the Oakland Raiders get set to take on the...
You have called head. Arizona has won the toss and chooses to receive.
The teams have taken the field. We're ready for the kickoff. Let's go to the field.
Number 11 to kick off. Number 82 and number 24 to receive.
He gets the kick away. He'll be returning this one. The Cardinals will start the drive from the 22. So we have 1st and 10 here. Four-man front this time.
One back, watch the middle. Look pass.
Back to pass. With the pass, and he makes the grab. He makes a terrific catch for the first down.
Yeah, that's what the receiver's first job is, to catch the ball. And once he has control of the ball, then he can look to stretch it for a big gain.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on their own 32. 4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Number 12 hands it off, drives the middle. Harris stops him at the 33. Not much on that play.
Yeah, you talk about a defensive line winning a battle, and this is what you mean. The running back gets to the line, and there's nowhere to go after that.
It's 2nd down and 9 to go. Ball on their own 33. Little shake and bake. So a pickup of maybe 3.
For a gain of 3 yards.
Third and 6. Ball on their own 37.
Outside. Box.
The Cardinals are in the offset I formation. Searching for a seam. James makes the tackle at the 34-yard line. The defense did a nice job bottling them up there.
The defense did a good job of maintaining their composure on that play. Takes good discipline to maintain your position and not over-pursue.
8 to go. Player lines up in the backfield for the punt. Number 31 is back to receive this kick. So he'll try to return this one. I'll bet you he'll call for a fair catch the next time.
Sometimes you think you've got some room for a return, and the next thing you know, you've got a bunch of guys in your face.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Number 1 sets up. Looking downfield. Looking for an option. Throwing. Brown couldn't make the catch. He let that one loose, but overthrows his receiver.
That pass was thrown with so much velocity on it that the receiver never caught up with it.
2nd and 10. Looking to pass. He's to the 40. Still on his feet. Across the field. And he's brought down at the 45. Only one man back. Looking to pass. Number 1 rolling over to his right. Gets the pass off. And he makes the grab.
Pass complete to number 86 for a gain of 21 yards. 1st down.
Let's check in with Melissa.
Well, Al, it doesn't look good. I spoke to the team doctor, and he indicated that it's the type of injury that will take some time to heal. They're hopeful that he won't be out long, but his return is doubtful.
Thanks, Melissa. Well, that's good news because on the replay, it looked a lot more serious than that. He'll probably miss the rest of the game. Lassiter records the tackle at the 6. A fresh set of downs after a nice pickup on the ground.
Hey, nice job up front, holding their block and allowing him to get a good run for a 1st down.
1st down and goal to go. Ball on the 6-yard line. Dropping back. Number 8 rolls right. Nice connection. Great timing on that touchdown throw.
And that's one of those passes we see a lot when the quarterback releases it, the receiver's not even looking. But then he looks up and the ball's right there.
Will the owner of a black van, license number L11B73, please return to your car immediately. The lights are on.
The kick is up. The point after is good. And so the offense puts together a very nice touchdown drive. John, I think that drive is exactly what the offensive coordinator was looking for and hoping for.
The more touchdown drives, the better. Now they'll go back to the sidelines and see why they were able to beat the defense for 6. And they'll try and repeat those results the next time they get the ball.
He sends it off. Jenkins is heading upfield. The defense did a very good job against them the last time they had possession, forcing a punt. So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on their own 28. Looking to pass. Passes it out to the left. And he finds the open man. And there's a flag on the play.
Unsportsmanlike conduct. Roughing the passer. Defense.
The quarterback goes down hard.
You have to be careful around quarterbacks these days. You can't touch them after they let go of the ball.
The teams have switched sides, and we'll start the second quarter. It's 1st and 10. Ball on the 42-yard line. The Cardinals line up with 2 tight ends.
Encroachment, number 94. Defense.
And he jumps the snap count.
He tried to anticipate the snap count and moved across the line.
5 yards to go. Ball on the 37-yard line. The Cardinals are in the offset I formation.
Tighten up. Tighten up.
Back to pass. Number 12 lets it fly. It's up for grabs. The Raiders grab the live ball. Penalty marker down on the field.
Personal foul. Face mask on the defense. Number 51.
1st and 10. 4-man front this time. Jones with the spin move. They tried to move the ball on the ground.
A running attack that is consistent and effective will help the offense dictate the pace of the game.
Second and 8. Ball on the 15-yard line.
Big play. Big play.
Receives the toss. Romanowski created problems in the backfield on that play. Nice pursuit on that play.
Yeah, this is just great defense. They pursue the ball, follow the play as it develops, and they never let the ball carrier get to the outside.
So they dug themselves into a hole here, a long 3rd down situation. Looking to pass. Passes it out to the left. And he hits his target. And he's brought down at the 5-yard line. He really lets it fly.
When you have a guy with a quick release like this, it can really frustrate the pass rush. Seems like he always gets rid of it just before they can get to him.
So it's 1st and goal. About 5 yards out. And we've reached the 2-minute mark. It's 1st and goal. Everybody up on the line. Jones looking for room, looking for an opening. Perella makes the tackle at the 4. 2nd down, goal to go. Dropping back, passing to his left. It's batted away. Number 31 didn't even give the receiver a chance.
Great position and great reaction made that play happen.
Interesting choice for the defense to try to avoid giving up the score right here. 3rd down now and goal to go. And this is the 5th play of this drive, using motion. Quick drop. Number 12 throws. And it's caught. He tossed the ball to the receiver for the touchdown.
That was a great pass by the quarterback. He delivered that ball where only his receiver could make the catch.
And with that score, the momentum has shifted. And it's on its way. The extra point attempt is good. Grammatica in to kick this one off.
Number 7 to kick off. Number 31.
He sends this one toward the end zone. Kirby will bring this one upfield. That last drive resulted in a touchdown. They did a great job moving the ball on the ground, and let's see what they can do here. Until they can get closer, we'll probably just see throws from them here on out. It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 21. Looking to pass. Looking for an option. Number 1 with the pass. Nice completion. Lassiter makes the stop at the 32. He rifled it out there.
That guy's always had a great arm, and that's something you can't teach.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on the 32-yard line. Dropping back. Surveying the field. Number 1 passes to his right, and he hits his target. And it looks like this one will be spotted at the 5-yard line. The quarterback did a real good job finding his target with that pass.
That was quite a throw. This guy's been blessed with a golden arm.
1st down and goal to go. Only one man in the backfield. Drops back. And he's in for the touchdown. The quarterback just tucked it away and ran it right in for the score.
Yep, he just lowered his shoulders and got the short yardage that they needed.
Play it tight. Over there. Watch the run. Set.
Back to pass. 8 points on that drive.
Is good.
Janikowski is just about ready to kick this one away.
And number 24 back to the seat.
He kicks it off. Penalty marker down on the field. Not the type of kickoff they wanted.
Yeah, the return team loves it when that happens.
1st and 10. Ball on their own 40. The Cardinals line up with 4 wide receivers. Dropping back. Number 12 sends the pass away. Jenkins just couldn't find a way to come up with that one, so he can't bring it in.
Any more of those, and he might find himself riding the bench. There's only one way that they're going to be able to do something about this score. Keep throwing and getting out of bounds.
Number 12 with a man in motion.
Your man.
Dropping back. Throws over to his right. And he finds the open man. Good job of bringing the pass in.
Not only can this guy make all the throws, he also rarely makes a bad decision out there.
And they're in good shape here on 1st down to try to do something about the score. So they have 1st and 10 here. Jones lines up behind his fullback in the I. Quick drop. Throws it out over to the left. And he can't hang on. The quarterback was hit just as he was releasing the pass.
Getting pressure on the quarterback is the easiest way to disrupt a pass play. The defensive line should take full credit for that play.
It's 2nd down and 10 to go. Ball on the 25-yard line. Dimebacks in for this play.
Watch him.
Looking downfield. Throws over to his right. Boston just couldn't find a way to come up with that one. He really tried to gun that one in there.
Well, he slung it in there, but the receiver just couldn't come up with it.
3rd and long. The defense trying to bring this drive to a halt. They'll be faced with a long 3rd down play here.
We're coming. Focus.
Number 12 under center.
We're coming.
Dropping back. Steps up into the pocket. Coleman breaks the play up in the backfield.
Number 57. Loss of 2 yards on the play.
Congratulations to the fans sitting in section 19, row 12, seat 6. You've just won a trip for 2 to Hawaii.
Grammatica is heading onto the field for this field goal attempt. And it's up. The kick sails through. It's good. It's the end of the second quarter with the score, Oakland 15, Arizona 10. And we go back to the game. So before we start the third quarter, here's a quick look at how both teams have fared in the first half.
Number 31 and number 42.
He gets the kick away. Kirby is looking for a nice return.
Now this thing could still go either way.
15 yards by number 42.
Number 1 rolls out to his left. Gets the pass off. Just couldn't get that pass under control. That one goes right off the receiver's hands.
It's frustrating as a coach when you see a guy make a great one-handed catch and then drop the easy ones.
It's second down and 10 to go. Ball on their own 22. Garner, the lone setback. Back to pass. Passing to his right. Nice reception. Starks pulls him down at the 34-yard line. First and 10. Ball on their own 34. Looking to pass. Surveying the field. Fires this one deep. Gets his hand on it. It looks as if he got a hand on that pass.
He just stayed with the coverage, and he got his hand right in there.
So it's second and 10. Ball on their own 34. Looking downfield. Number 1 rolls right with the throw, and this pass is completed. He throws a perfect strike.
That was one heck of a throw. You could see him setting for the pass, then boom, it was gone.
They're just about in field goal range. Ball on the 43-yard line. Only one man back. Dropping back. Rolls out to his left. Going long. Nice completion. And the defender brings him down at the 1. First down and goal to go. Only one man back, looking to throw. He kept the ball and just ran it in.
The offense has been knocking on the door, and now they just kicked it down.
And that's his second rushing touchdown of the game. They'll go with a pass. And they tack on the 2.
Is good.
Janikowski will be kicking off.
Number 82 and number 24. Deep to receive.
He sends it off. Jenkins fields it cleanly. Arizona needs 2 scores to get back into this one.
Number 82.
It's first and 10. Looking downfield. Number 12 with the throw. Sanders was the intended target. Well, the quarterback did his part.
No receiver perfect, so you'll even see the best ones drop a few. But the key word is a few.
It's second down and 10 to go. Ball on their own 22.
Set. Watch the pass. Watch the pass. Fox. Coming.
They'll go with a pass. Throws over to his right. Loses one tackler. Woodson makes the tackle at the 42-yard line. It's first and 10. Ball on their own 42.
Set. One back. Watch the middle. Somebody get over there. Hut.
A little shake and bake. And he's brought down at the 47-yard line. Gain of 4. It's second down and 6 to go. Ball on their own 47.
Set.
Man in motion. With the pass, Jackson was the intended receiver. Number 12 looked a little uncomfortable in the pocket there.
Even if you have a cannon arm, you'll never be a successful quarterback if you can't get the ball to your receiver.
Third and 6. Ball on their own 47.
Set.
With the carry. Woodson stops him at the 48. This one stays on the ground.
As a coach, you need to make sure that you establish your running game as a weapon that can hurt the other team.
Player is looking for a good punt here. Woodson will call for the fair catch. Well, the offense is back on the field again. Their last drive, they moved the ball very well, especially through the air on their way to a touchdown. Deep in their own territory.
Set.
He's looking to pass. Gets rid of it. And he finds the open man. He didn't have to make any adjustments to come up with that catch.
A few more like that, and this guy's going to be in the All-Madden team.
So we've reached the end of the third quarter with the Oakland Raiders ahead of the Arizona Cardinals, 23-10. The teams are set for the fourth quarter of play. First and 10. Ball on their own 29.
Set.
Looking to pass. He surveys the field. Steps up. Looking to the middle. And it's complete. And he's tackled at the 44. Number 1 completes another throw and is now over 200 yards through the air. So they're almost within their kicker's range. Ball on the 44-yard line.
Set.
Looking to pass. He surveys the field. Passes left. And he hits his target. 5. Number 36 stops him at the 1. So that tackle was his third. First down and goal to go. Ball on the 1. So they've had a lot of success so far in the red zone, and they'll try, obviously, to continue that here. Surveying the field. Great job by the quarterbacks to get it in.
Guy showed a lot of guts on that play. Just got to make sure you don't take a big hit, especially on your right shoulder, that puts you out of the game.
Number 1 now has 3 rushing touchdowns.
Set.
The kick is up. The point after is good. A good-looking drive, and they score the touchdown. And the offensive unit should be very pleased with their performance on that one.
Hey, these guys deserve to feel good about it. Now it's the defense's turn to come out and do its job.
Janikowski in to kick this one off.
Number 24, deep to receive.
He sends this one toward the end zone. Trying to give them good field position.
They need one quick score and then some more.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Number 12 sets up. Dropping back. Passing to his left. The pass is picked off. He shakes a defender.
Face mask on the defense, number 84.
And now they'll move backward.
Now the offense needs to try even harder to pick up the first down.
So it's 1st and goal. Ball on the 6-yard line. With an extra DB, the defense is in the nickel. Dropping back. Number 1 lets it fly. He somehow got that pass off.
He knew he didn't have much time, and he decided to get rid of the ball quickly on that one. They've almost got this game won, but they still need to run it to make the defense use their timeouts.
Looking to throw. Touchdown, Raiders. And so he takes it the rest of the way for the touchdown.
Heck, he might be trying to convince the coach that he should be a starting running back, too.
So he's now gotten into the end zone 4 times on the ground.
Set.
And it's on its way, and he tacks on the extra point.
Good.
Janikowski in to kick this one off.
Number 82 and number 24 back to receive.
He kicks it off. Jenkins is on his way upfield. That interception brought their last drive to a sudden halt. After collecting themselves on the sidelines, let's see what happens here. The defense is trying to force a turnover, which would put an end to this game right now. 1st and 10. Ball on their own 23. The Cardinals using motion. Looking downfield. Passes it. Sanders was the intended target on that pass attempt, so he can't get it to him.
And you want to lead the receiver so that he can catch and run, but you don't want to lead him that much.
It's 2nd down and 10 to go. Ball on their own 23. Man in motion.
Got him. Got him.
Looking to throw. Throwing. It was tipped. Number 12 trying to thread the needle on that pass.
I'm no quarterback, but even I saw that he was covered.
3rd and long. Looking to throw. Passing to his left. Hits the target with the pass. Number 31 got in there for his first tackle. So they have 1st and 10 here. He's going to throw. Number 12 with the pass, and they're able to connect on that one. The quarterback showed you his great arm on that pass.
Not only does this guy have a strong arm, but his quick release makes him very tough to sack.
The Cardinals line up in the shotgun, looking to throw. Throws it. Nice reception, and the defender brings him down at the 36. He catches the bullet for the 1st down.
And it's a good thing he caught it. You don't want to drop those passes for 1st down.
And this is the 5th play of this drive. With the throw, Jenkins, the intended receiver. Number 12 overthrows the intended receiver.
It almost looked like he might have been trying to throw it to someone else. They're going to make the quarterback keep throwing because it's the only way that they have a shot at coming back.
So it's 2nd and 10. 6th play of this drive. Boston comes in motion. Looking downfield. Tosses it right. He finds his man. The 20. Woodson takes him down at the 18.
Any run plays in the playbook should be thrown out because they need points fast, and the only way they're going to get them is by throwing the ball.
Inside the red zone. Looking downfield. Passes left. Sanders, the intended receiver. He just dropped that pass.
With some players, they say the worst place to hit them is right in the hand. In fact, this may be one of those guys.
They have to move him down quickly here on second down. It's second down and 10 to go. Ball on the 18-yard line.
Watch the run, watch the run.
8th play of this drive.
Single.
Dropping back,
Switch it up.
throwing. Great catch and a great throw for the touchdown.
Yeah, he threw that where only the receiver could get it.
And that's his second touchdown pass today. And it's up, and he tacks on the extra point.
He is good.
Grammatica gets the team ready to try to recover this one.
Number 42.
The kicking team trying to recover this one. Number 70 will return this one.
They just need to eat up clock now because they have this game pretty well in hand.
The defense has a timeout left, but it won't help them. Kneel downs can end the game, running out the clock. So they have 1st and 10 here. Only one man back. He's looking to pass. He surveys the field. And he stopped at the 32. Number 1 took matters into his own hands.
You know, you can run any defensive scheme you want, but I'll tell you this, it's hard to compensate for the quarterback that can scramble and make plays on the run.
They're in field goal range.
Get into it, get into it. Single, single. All us, come on, D. We're coming.
Back to pass. He surveys the field. With the pass, it's batted away. Heads up play there to knock it down.
An interception would have been nice, but a great play either way.
They'll come out running here to wind the clock down.
Play it tight. Outside. Make it happen, D. Make it happen.
Dropping back. Loses one tackler. It's loose. The Raiders grab the live ball, and he's brought down at the 13-yard line. Well, here's a look at his numbers after a nice run, and you can see he's been able to break some tackles. This game reaches its conclusion with the final score, Oakland 37, Arizona 17. This concludes another EA Sports presentation. For John Madden and Melissa Stark, this is Al Michaels saying so long.